Hi, my name is Sarah, and today I'm going to be unboxing some things that I purchased from Osume, however you pronounce it. And I'm really excited since lately I've been getting more so into keyboard modding. So I thought it'd be fun to do my first unboxing, since I definitely am going to get more from this brand, and they have a bunch of cute keycaps and different desk pads, so I wanted to show you guys, and then I'm going to start putting my first keyboard all together and just customizing it. So when there was a new drop of restock in, I think it was October, I want to say, and now it's January. It might have been November. So the first thing I got were some new keycaps. This is the Matcha standard base kit, the marshmallow profile, and it also comes with the novelty kit. So some extra keys that I'll show you guys. And I would have been very content with just the regular set, but the novelty kit, I think it was maybe an extra $20 or so, but the regular kit was already sold out. So if I wanted the marshmallow profile at all, I had to get the novelty kit. So I was like, yeah, let me get that before it sells out too. So yes, that's the first thing, and I will do an unboxing video, and I'll show you guys that open in a second. And I also got a desk mat. I already have one right now. It's just plain white, but I thought since it's winter it would be fun to get something more wintry themed. I originally got the nighttime version of this one. It's going to be a scene with a little penguin on it, and oh wow, I wasn't expecting this material. It's very thick, like fabric, so it feels really good. Let's see, it's a nice size. It's definitely very large. Oh, okay, so you can see here the cute little penguin in the mountains, really sweet. So originally I had ordered the nighttime version, so it was basically the same thing but an evening scene, and it was like a dark purple blue color, but I kind of rushed putting my items in my cart since things were selling out very quickly. Originally I wanted a desk mat that was the Year of the Rabbit one, and that one sold out within I think like 45 minutes, and I was still making my decisions at that point. So I just rushed to add the other one to the cart, but luckily my order hadn't shipped yet after a couple weeks, and I asked if they could switch to this one, and they were really cool about it. So I ended up getting this desk mat. Also, I think if you spent a certain amount, you got a free postcard. So I got a holiday postcard included. It's really cute, but it's not really Christmas time here anymore since it's late January, so I'll probably just still put this up on my fridge or something, but really cute. I was hoping that they would have had more of a deal for their drop, but it was mainly getting this postcard for free. I don't think there was free shipping or anything like that. Or no, there was free shipping if you spent over $125, so there's that. I definitely spent that much, so I did get free shipping. Oh, and then I got a box of lube for my switches. So let's open that up. Oh, it looks so cute. It has a little face on it. I think it's random, the face that comes on there. So very cute. It's like an inch. Oh, it looks like you just twist it. And yeah. We'll take off the top. Ooh. Okay, that could have been messy. I'm trying to be careful not to get that on any of my other tech. But there you go, to see the inside. Yeah, very loopy. Probably gonna go wash my hands before I unbox the keycaps. And I know I also got a tiny little brush to lube the switches. Not seen it yet. Oh, here. Okay, so this is the last thing I got. My lube brush. Yep. It says size 00. In this little plastic tube. And then you can open it on the end here. I'll get that later. And then it's in plastic here. Yeah, it feels like nice and stiff. So there you can see it. Just to give you guys an idea. Okay, I need to find the top now. So yeah, that was everything in my order. I had the lube brush, the lube, the desk mat, and then my matcha keycaps. So I'm going to work on putting them on my keyboard. This is my first keyboard, which I love. It's an aluminum base. This is the Osume SK71, and I got it for Christmas. It was on my wish list, and I'm really happy that I ended up going with this one. This is what it sounds like right now. And I'm very excited to see what it's going to look like with my new keycaps. So the color right now, it's kind of like a very pale pink, I would say, or nude, and then a golden yellow and a very dark blue. I love it so far. I love the sound. I believe it came pre-lubed, but I think it's just going to be so much better when I put in my new switches and the look of it with my keycaps. So I'm going for more of a thocky sound, kind of like how this is already. These are the switches I got from UniKeys. So I'm going to work on lubing these, then putting these in my keyboard, and then I'll be putting in my new keycaps. But I'll make a separate video just doing that whole modding and transformation. So I'm excited for my first keyboard modification, or modificating. But anyway, let us look at the keycaps in person one more time. I'll do some unboxing. So we can see what they look like. The marshmallow profile definitely goes very quickly on Osume's website. I believe currently there's still the regular matcha keycaps in stock, but the marshmallow profile has been really popular, so there are only a few colors that these come in. I'm so excited. Okay, looks so cute. Oh wow, okay, so here's the novelty kit. Looks like they were just stuck together by the plastic. And then the main one on top. I really like how the box texture is. It just feels very smooth and feels like a high quality box. Not that it really matters. The contents are definitely most important, so let's see try not to mess up the box too much. Oh, it's so cute. It's got a little smiley face on there. Okay, and let us see how it looks. Okay, so it kind of is just a pull box. Very nice. It looks so cute. Oh, you have a little print of the frog. And then it just shows what colors are in the keycaps. So very cute. Little card designed by Osume. Oh, little sticker. Very cute. I love that. Okay, and then for the keycaps. Wow, okay. I love the little accent keys here with the smileys. That'll be like for an escape key, something like that. And then we've got arrows and more of the letters. I think that's really cute with just their arrow signs. And I really do like the look of the keys. They are, in comparison, a lot more bubbly looking. So that's why I thought that these keys would be perfect for the keyboard that I'm going to, the theme. I wanted something that looked marshmallowy and sounds stocky, so I think it'll be good all together. Some more of them. And then we've got the space bars. So I don't know if I'm going to go with green or cream yet. Both of them look really cute. So we'll see. And then that is it for the main kit, and then we'll get into the novelty kit. Those are the really cute caps. Okay, so now get into the novelty kit. Okay, these are not coming out super easily. So hang on. There you go. Okay. Let's see. Another Osume card. They look so cute, little frogs. So these are just extra designs for the cups and different buttons. Oh, the little teacups and teapots are so cute. Would I say it's worth an extra $20? Probably not. Like I said, originally I was going to go with the regular kit. But again, if this was my only chance in order to get the matcha set in general, then yes, I think it was worth it overall. But if I could have, I just would have gotten the regular marshmallow set. But overall, I'm super happy with my purchase. I'll show you guys too what the desk mat looks like on my desk, and eventually when I put this together on my keyboard, I'll show you guys that, make a video of it, and do a sound test after all the switching, or with all the switches and all the lubing. So I'm very excited to get into it. And yeah, I'm newer at making videos. I made a video years ago for my Gymshark haul, and since I have a nice camera, I thought that I should just start getting into it again, since I haven't used this camera in years. So since I'm getting more into keyboard modding and desk setup, I thought this would be fun to kind of share my interest with other people if you guys are interested in following along. So I promise I'll get less awkward over time as I get used to talking to a camera. So feel free to follow if you're also interested in keyboards and fashion and working from home setup, those types of things. But thanks for watching, and I'm excited to make more videos on this. So yeah, thanks again. So I actually just realized this right now. It's not only one postcard or one card, it's a 5-pack postcard set. So I didn't look very closely. So we've got the little Christmas tree. Very cute. It's like a toy store shopping. Oh, story time reading around the Christmas tree. A Merry Christmas one. Little Santa. And then the last one. Oh, these are so cute. Riding the sleigh with a little reindeer. I wish that I got these before Christmas so I could have sent them out, but I'll save them for next year since they are really cute. Here's a little before and after with my different desk mats. So this is my current setup. Oh, it's so cute. You can already see that the size is very big. So going to work on putting that under my monitor risers. I'm putting my keyboard in one corner to flatten out that side, but it seems like the right side is the main one that has to be flattened out right here. The only thing is that I had my little cutesy small mouse pad here, so I'll probably be getting rid of this for now, just so it's not covering up this side. Maybe putting this here to kind of help with the weight, and I'll put my phone and notebook here also. That's my new phone case. And now this is how it looks with the new desk mat. So it definitely takes up a lot of space. It fills up a lot, which is really nice. It feels good with my mouse. And just going to work on getting this all straightened out. But I really like how it adds a bit of a wintry theme now, since I mainly had the light wood and white theme. So I have like white mouse, white risers, and then I've got my little figurines here. So yeah, I think it's matching all really well, and it'll be really cute to keep this theme before springtime. Also, I'm sure that there are a bunch of things that I forgot to include, so if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll make sure to respond.